Hello everyone! Today we're excited to introduce you to PWR Rollups by Orektic, a powerful data aggregation tool that simplifies the process of creating rollup summaries without the need for complex triggers. Let's dive into its key features. Easy to create rollups without having to write triggers. Works on master details, lookups for up to 5 levels. Additional operators to take rollups to the next level. Tested for large datasets up to 2 million records. Async recalculation to avoid governor limits. Mass recalculation for data migration. John works at a leading automobile manufacturer as a quality assurance head. Some of the most important indicators he needs to monitor and analyze are number of returned products, their average value by each dealer. Instead of running such report manually every day, he needs Salesforce to notify him whenever these indicators go beyond preset values for any dealer, so he can take immediate action. Unfortunately, as the relationship between product returns and account, which is dealer, is not master details and direct, John was unable to create rollups out of the box. And when he requested his Salesforce developers to create such rollups using custom code or triggers, he had to wait for months, and could have cost a lot due to other priorities of the team. Thanks to PWR Rollups, John could achieve these goals in minutes by installing PWR Rollups on his Salesforce org and creating rollups he needed, saving him tons of time and money. Now he gets alert as soon as any dealer's average return value or number of product returns crosses the preset benchmark values. Let's see how John created the following rollups in minutes and could trigger notifications whenever total count of returned products and total value of returned products exceeded set limit. Here's a step-by-step guide to create rollup using the PWR Rollups application. Open the PWR Rollups application from the Application Manager. Click on the New button and provide a name and description for the rollup. Choose Returned Products as the source object. Then, establish a hierarchy by selecting Monthly Product Return Orders, followed by Contact, Account, and finally, Parent Account. Proceed by clicking the Next button. Select the rollup type as Count, and pick Returned Product Name as the source field. Map this to the respective destination object field. Add a new rollup action by clicking the plus button. Choose the rollup type as Sum. Select the product price field as the source field and map it to the appropriate destination field. Add another rollup action using the plus button. This time, opt for the rollup type Average, with the source field set as Product Price. Map this to the relevant destination field. Next, add a rollup action for the maximum rollup type. Select the quantity field as the source field. If by any chance you forgot to create a field, simply click on the Create New Field option. Then provide a name for the field. Choose the field type, provide a description, and finally, click on the Save button. To capture the latest product return date, add a new rollup action. Select a rollup type as maximum and the source field as return date. Map this to the designated destination field. Apply filters to refine the data. Click on the Add Custom Filter button. Set the object to Account, the field to Authorized, the operator to Equal, and the criterion to True. Add more filters as needed, such as filtering by the status field in the monthly product return and returned products objects. Choose the Custom Logic Radio button to sequence the filters. Enter the desired order of filter execution in the text area. Activate the rollup by toggling the relevant button, then click Save and Run. Upon completion, you will receive a notification email. The rollup will now calculate the aggregated metrics. By exploring the results, you'll observe that the data related to returned products is accurately reflected without the need for any code. Let's create a single record in the returned product object to observe how the data is updated within the account. Now go to Account page. As you can observe, the updated results are reflected in the account. And now you can write automation based on these fields to send notifications when they cross the present limits. With PWR Rollups product, you can solve numerous business problems effortlessly without coding.